This is fucking 4:30 in the morning and I didn't sleep yet because I'm waiting Asia session. We are always trading Asia. So this is our balance challenge. Account from 10,000 to 100,000. Current balance 13,510. So let's see what will happen. We are waiting pump to catch 1,000 pips. This is the account. This is the balance. So now we are almost reach $7,000. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close my trade. Boom. That's enough for today. 7,000. Guys, that's amazing trade. Current balance is 20,592.